Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Petitenget Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on 9th of March 2022, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak area. And our journey today start from Kayu Aya Street from the east part. Okay guys, now we are on Kayu Aya Street. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Fun Java. Actually, I make this video around 9 AM. I mean like this still early in the morning, so that's why there is a lot of the shop still closed. But I just make a video because I want to show you how the situation in Kayu Aya in the morning. Yeah, but there is a lot of people already doing activity. I mean like there is some shop are already open in this area. And also if you see the weather today is so beautiful. It's very clear. It's very sunny. And also Bali now is very humid because sometimes it's very hot and few hours later it's gonna be raining. So that's why the humid is very hard in Bali now. Humid time in Bali start from November until of April, because start from November until April Bali in raining season. But even during the raining season, the weather in Bali always good because raining just take in few hours. You see left side is a hotel and some car parking there, and also there is some people walk around on the sidewalk. It's very good, isn't it? And as we know together, Seminyak area is very famous for the hotels, some nice restaurant, and also have some nightclub. And also Seminyak area or Kayu Aya Street is very famous because in this area there is a lot of hotels and there is a lot of villa in Kayu Aya. And also on Kayu Aya Street we have big shopping mall we call Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village. Also we have art market. So that's why in Seminyak also very famous for the shopping area. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Since Bali opened without quarantine on 7th of March, there is a lot of tourists come to Bali step by step now. And there is more than 3,000 international tourism come to Bali. That's very good news. Okay guys, you see at the front? Yeah, there is a Seminyak Square. Okay, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Cendana Street and Kayu Jati Street, still in Seminyak area. But now we turn left because we will update how the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street. Yeah, you can see together in this area is more quiet. There is not so many car and motorbike drive around this area. Because as I told you, I make this video around 9 AM. So that's why there is a lot of shops still closed and not start for activity yet. And also I can say sorry because I've been don't upload some video in the last month. That because I was in busy. You see at the front there is like white tent. Actually this is the art market in Seminyak, but they are still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Actually this art market was been open during Christmas until the New Year, but now they back to close because Bali still be quiet. Okay guys, we continue driving on Kayu Aya Street. Left side, the Oberoi, very famous hotel. And beside the Oberoi, there is a Kudeta nightclub, also very famous. In this area, there is a lot of big hotel, and the hotel is connecting by the beach. Okay guys, I give you some information about how to come to Bali now. Okay, Bali since 7th of March, we are open for 23 countries allowed to come without quarantine. But the rule is if you already vaccinated 2 times and 1 booster, so you can allow to come to Bali without quarantine. It's mean like when you arrive in Bali, you have to show you already have a result negative PCR from your country, and then you will do another PCR test in airport Denpasar, and then you can drive through to the hotel, and then you have to be waiting the result negative from PCR test in Bali, then you are free. Okay, that's the first one. Number 2, you must already booking hotels for 4 nights in Bali. You can show the bill. Okay, number 3, it is very good news because 23 countries on list from our government, you can come to Bali and we are apply VOA, visa on arrival, and cost is around 500,000. It's like about $25. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street, and now we will continue driving from the north part Petitenget Street until to the south. Yeah, now we are on Petitenget Street. On Petitenget Street, there is also some very nice restaurant, cafe, and nightclub. We have Potato Head for nightclub. We have W Beach Bar, also beautiful during the sunset time. And also we have some nice coffee shop like a Cartel Coffee, Manaka, and Pison. Also we have the Junior Coffee, it's very famous in this area. And also we have like Pizza Hut, very famous. We call the Bira, that is very famous one. You see, in this area is like starting busy even in the morning. There is some people already drive around in this area. That's really good, isn't it? It's quite busy in this area now. Yeah, if I straight down, there is Cendrawasih Street. Right there is a lot of villa there. But I turn left because I will update how the situation at the moment on Petitenget Street. You see the pink building right side? Yes, that's very famous ice cream shop we call Candy. Okay, now we continue driving on Petitenget Street. Yeah, so far in this area in the morning, still not so busy. Like still very quiet. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Brabant. Right there is a lot of villa. And I will update how the situation in villa area Seminyak in the next video. You can see right side, yeah, there is some big building, there is the hotel. And also we have nice hotel we call Canvas Hotel. Yeah, in the right side there is a Canvas Hotel. Oh yeah, again, so sorry, I forget to tell you. In this area also we have nightclub very famous we call Shishi. Yeah, right side, Shishi nightclub. And also we have Lobster for nightclub W, right side. The entrance to go to the W Hotel there. And also we have nice cafe in the left side we call Biku. It is very famous. You have to try coffee one day down there. And at the front right side there is the entrance to go to Potato Head. Yeah. Okay, we continue driving on Petitenget Street. Yeah, so far in this area there is more shop open day per day. It's getting better now. Nice cafe right side, and there's a lot of people having breakfast. That is really good. Okay, You see at the front, the big building, that is also hotel. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Petitenget Street, also on Kayu Aya Street. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Fun Java. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.